Welcome to the Hillsboroughian Historian. My name is Rex, and the 90th edition of the Hillsboroughian features the class of 2006. These are covers of past HHS yearbooks. Great job by the HHS yearbook staff, and here we can see Principal Robinson and Principal Orr. As students learned and formed friendships, the HHS renovation continued. Beneath the auditorium stage, a new chilled water AC system was installed. Oral history tells us that parts of statues were thrown away at this time, but the foot of one statue was saved and eventually placed into the media center. If we look closely at the sandal straps on this shoe, we can see that it once belonged to the legendary statue of Athena Giustiniani. Despite vandalism, band director Kim Meter continued to grow the music department. Despite the challenges and distractions, Terrier tradition continued. Eventually, the renovation of Hillsborough High School was completed. A renovation celebration was held in April, and Terriers from across the generations came back home to the Big Red. Wilder Architecture did such a great job on this renovation that they won a bunch of awards. Come on, let's take a look around. Even the gargoyles were impressed. The stained glass windows were removed and repaired. Period-correct wooden seats were installed in the auditorium. Windows once covered in brick were open once again. The Gothic glory of the Big Red had been restored. It should be noted that the Terrier baseball team had an amazing year. This team almost won the state title. By graduation day, the class of 2006 had witnessed a great deal of history. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to keep up with all of my HHS videos, and as always, go Big Red.